Begin the flow with your knees together and the chest and stomach folding onto the top of the thighs. Outstretch the arms or let them lay by your side. Lay in this position for 1 to 3 minutes. Come into a tabletop position with the hips above the knees and the shoulders above the wrists. Inhale, arching the back and tucking the chin into the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine in the opposite direction and looking up towards the sky. Lay on your stomach with the hands next to the shoulders. Use the arms to press upward while pressing the top of the feet and the hips into the ground. Look up toward the sky, rolling the shoulders back. Come back into tabletop position. Lift the knees, bringing the hips up and back. Press into the hands evenly and release tension from the neck. Actively press heels toward the mat. It's okay if they don't touch. Come to lay on your back, bring your knees to your chest. Hug your knees inward and rock back and forth as it feels good in your body. Outstretch your arms into a T shape with knees to chest. Let your knees fall to the left while you look over your right shoulder. Repeat with knees falling to the right while you look over your left shoulder.